2 gear width for your choose. Step 1. P5 and P2 are connected together using 4 screws L6 and nuts L4. Step 2. Use 2 screws L2 and use screw L2 and nut L9 to connect P3 and P5 together. Pull here to adjust the keyboard angle. Step 3. Use 2 hand-screwed L1 screws to fix P4 on top of P3. Step 4. Use L3 screws and L5 nuts or L7 screws to attach the P1 to the display. Step 5. Attach P1 to P4 from the top. Step 6. Use the screw L8 to tighten and the installation is complete. Step 7. Remove the component on P4. Step 8. Fix the P4 component to the wall with wall insert bolt L10. Step 9. Attach the component to the P4 assembly. Step 10. Use the P4 component built-in screws to tighten.